Hello everyone and welcome back. Now we are in our new chapter number 12, changing times. As we have learned in the families, changing families. Now here we are going to understand about changing time. It was a story from yes, India Pakistan partition. Yes. Years ago we got freedom from Britishers, and at that time India and Pakistan got separated. Yes. Firstly, India and Pakistan was one country, but after we got the freedom from Britishers, right, and India and Pakistan got separated. So this was about that time. Okay, this story is about that time. From that time to present time, what are the changes found that we are going to understand in this chapter? My name is Neela Bhai. This is an old story. So, who is the character over here? Neela Bhai, and it is an old story. I was young child at that time. એટલે કે ત્યારે એ નાનો બાબુ હતો. My father used to work as land laborer in field. Okay, તેના પપ્પા મજૂર હતા. Now I am spending retired life. Now I have retired from my life and now I am old and I am spending my retired life. Means I am not doing any work. I would like to share my experience of those days with you. Okay, so what about those days? Here, those days means what? Yes, about the life at the time of partition. Okay, a big move. Okay, that was about 70 years ago. I remember the time when I was 10 years old. Okay, so the story is about 70 years old, and at that time he was of 10 years. That time we lived in Tando village of Aliyar. Now it is in Pakistan. So as I told you that India and Pakistan got separated, okay, and that village was birthplace for Neela Bhai. Which was the village? Tando village of Aliyar. Now it is in Pakistan. At that time it was in India. At that time we suffered a lot. એમને બહુ જ પેઇન સફર કર્યો હતો. There was lost of hustle and bustle. Okay, બહુ જ ભાગદોડ હતી. Okay, there was a lot of problem was there during the partition between India and Pakistan. I could not understand what was happening. એને કંઈ જ ખબર નહોતી પડતી કે શું થતું હતું because he was very small. One day, father told us that we had to leave our village and move to another place. So एक दिन क्या बोला उसके पापा ने, कभी हमें हमारा गांव छोड़ के जाना पड़ेगा और हमें दूसरे गांव में जाना पड़ेगा because India and Pakistan got partitioned, right? They got separate. So we have to leave this village and we are going to move towards a new place. I was sad to leave my village and my house. So I was feeling very sad as I was leaving my house and my village. That was where I had all my friends. So in that village, which village? Tando village. He was having a lot of friends, but now he was very sad because he has to leave this village and his house. Because of what? India Pakistan got separated. We all moved with family members in bullock cart that too snatched at the border. Okay, so वो सब लोग कहाँ पे आए थे, कैसे आए थे? बुलक कार्ड यानी कि જે બળદગાડી હોય એ રાઈટ એમાં તેઓ પાકિસ્તાનથી ઇન્ડિયા આવ્યા હતા અને એ ટાઈમ ઉપર બોર્ડર ઉપર ઓકે ઇન્ડિયા પાકિસ્તાની બોર્ડર ઉપર બળદગાડું પણ લઈ લેવામાં આવ્યું હતું. લાસ્ટલી વી રીચ નિયર ધોલાવીરા એટ કચ્છ એટલે કે ધોલાવીરા એક નામ એક પ્લેસ છે કચ્છમાં ત્યાં તેઓ પહોંચ્યા. Many people from our area also moved. Okay, so from their area also many people were moved to the new villages. People were saying that our country was being divided into two, India and Pakistan. So what people was telling that our India and Pakistan is divided into two. Firstly, it was one country. Okay, firstly it was one country, but now it is getting separated. Okay. Pakistan, okay, many people from India went to Pakistan just like we moved to India. So from India also many people went to Pakistan, and from Pakistan many people came to India. For some time we stayed in a camp in big tents that were put up in the huge ground of Dholavira. So during this time there was a refugee camp, okay, on the borders of India and Pakistan. So those who were exchanging their country at that time, firstly they need to stay in the camp, okay, which is of big tents. Okay, these are called refugee camp. Okay, are you getting or not? So firstly they were used to stay in refugee camp, okay, which was there in the ground of ધોલાવીરા. ધોલાવીરામાં મોટું ગ્રાઉન્ડ હતું, ત્યાં રેફ્યુજી કેમ્પ રાખવામાં આવ્યો હતો. ઓકે, now what is the meaning of refugee? You need to find out and you need to tell me tomorrow. Okay, now a new home. One day father told us that we had been given some land in Kharcharia village. It is it Jayaram Nagar. He said that we could build our house there. I was very happy. So one day what father told that we got some land and we can make house on it. Okay, and by listening this, Neela Bhai was very happy. Father and mother worked hard to make the house. तो पापा मम्मी ने बहुत मेहनत की घर बनाने के लिए. We children also helped. Father dug the soil and we quickly filled the pans and passed on to mother. तो पापा क्या कर रहे थे? ओके, ज़मीन में से सॉइल निकाल रहे थे, राइट. मिट्टी, घर बनाने के लिए मिट्टी, वो टाइम पे मिट्टी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट थी. तो पापा सॉइल निकाल रहे थे और हम सब लोग उस पैन में भर के मम्मी को दे रहे थे. सिस्टर एंड मदर मिक्सड हस्क. हस्क यानी, you know the meaning of husk? It is a dry grass, okay, which is used to make a paste, okay, paste, and it is used to make small houses. कच्चा हाउस बनाने के लिए हस्क चाहिए. फादर कंस्ट्रक्टेड द वॉल्स. पापा ने क्या बनाया? वॉल्स बनाई, घर की दीवारें बनाई. वी ब्रॉड काउ डंग फ्रॉम नियर बाय हाउसेस. काउ डंग यानी कि छाण. मदर मिक्सड इट विद द मड एंड कोटेड द फ्लोर. ओके, फ्लोर में हमने वहाँ पे क्या किया था? कोटिंग किया था. अगर हम आज की बात करें, राइट, सी अगेन चेंजिंग टाइम्स, वो टाइम में हम मड और काउडंग को मिक्स करके फ्लोरिंग करते थे. अभी ये टाइम में हम क्या करते हैं? टाइल्स डालते हैं, राइट. फ्लोरिंग में हम क्या डालते हैं? टाइल्स. फ्लोरिंग टाइल्स डालते हैं. सो इट इज़ अ चेंजिंग टाइम्स. शी यूज टू से कोटिंग फ्लोर बाय दिस मिक्सचर वुड कीप द इंसेक्ट अवे. जो भी छोटे छोटे इंसेक्ट जो होते हैं, जो घर में आते हैं, उनको दूर रखने के लिए ये वाला मिक्सचर बेस्ट रहेगा, ऐसा मम्मी ने बोला था. कौन सा मिक्सचर? यस, मड एंड काउडंग का मिक्सचर. नाउ इट वॉज द टर्न फॉर द रूफ टू बी मेड. अभी घर की छत बनानी थी. फादर मेड अ फ्रेम. ओके, फर्स्टली फादर मेड अ फ्रेम जॉइनिंग द ब्रांचेस ऑफ नीम ट्रीज एंड बाम्बूज. ओके, फ्रेम यानी कि क्या? पहले छत बनाने के लिए हमें फ्रेम यानी कि लकड़ियों से हमें उसको और नॉर्मल छत बनानी पड़ती है और उसके ऊपर हम बैग्स वगैरह डालेंगे. वी पुट ओल्ड गनी बैग्स ऑन दैट एंड कवर दैम विथ मड. ओके, तो अभी उन्होंने क्या किया? नीम और बाम्बू स्टिक्स से उन्होंने फ्रेम बनाई, छत बनाने के लिए फ्रेम बनाई, और उसके ऊपर उन्होंने ओल्ड गनी बैग्स यानी कि कोथड़ा, આપણે કહીએ સેક રેસ આવે છે, તેમાં આપણે જે લોકો કોથળાનો યુઝ કરીએ છીએ એને ગની બેગ કહેવાય. ઓકે, एंड दैट कवर्ड धैम विथ मड, और उसको गनी बैग को भी हमने मड से कवर्ड कर दिया. मोस्ट ऑफ द हाउसेज अराउंड आवर हाउस वेर मेड लाइक अवर्स. इट वॉज जस्ट लाइक आवर ओल्ड हाउस. आई लाइक इट मोस्ट. जो उनका ओल्ड हाउस था पाकिस्तान में, वो ऐसा सेम टू सेम हाउस उन्होंने बनाया था, और वो टाइप के हाउसेस उनके एरिया में बहुत थे. सो हियर आई एम एंडिंग माई सेल्फ. व्हेन विल मीट नेक्स्ट टाइम वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू विद द चैप्टर. सो टिल देन, टाटा एंड हैव ए नाइस टाइम.